Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out these glasses I got here. I've used them already so you can kind of see they've been opened, but they are the blue light blocking glasses. So it kind of gives you an idea of how these are gonna look on me. Comes with a cleaning cloth, a little case kind of for it. Comes with a little tester and it comes with a little blue light flashlight and the case and some information and everything else. Okay, so that's all the stuff in it. Let me show you guys what we're talking about here as far as blue light. Look, when I shine the light on here, look, it leaves that mark, right? So that means it's getting the blue light through it. But if I put up the lens over it, I can hold this here as long as I want. And you see it's not making it black, but this one here makes it black because it's the blue light. So that's what it does. It's blocking the blue light. So this is great if you're working on a computer or just doing anything where you just don't want to be getting the blue light in there. It's good. It makes everything somewhat a little yellowy tint you can kind of see. But for working on a computer, golden. Okay, and then this is the case. Look at the case. So when you're not using the case, you can fold it up like that. But when you do want to use it, it just opens up. These things fold out. Fold up the glasses, put them in, and you've got a triangle protective case for it. So really cool. So I like this one here. Works good for me, and I love the blue blocking glasses. I totally use them when I'm working on the computer. Stuff works good for driving, everything. Thumbs up.